Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to cover all the formulas that are related to mensuration. So first, we will cover all the 2D figures and then we will cover the 3D figures formulas. First, we are starting with square, which has four sides and each sides are equal. So the sides are given by A, denoted by A. So area is given by A square, perimeter is given by 4A. And the in radius is given by a by 2 and the circumradius is given by a by root 2. Then we have rectangle. The area is given by length into breadth and the perimeter is given by 2 length plus breadth. Circumradius is given by diagonal divided by 2. The root over length square plus breadth square is simply the diagonal. So diagonal divided by 2 gives us the circumradius. Then we have triangle. The area will be given by half height into base. The perimeter will be simply the sum of all its sides, that is A plus B plus C. And semi-perimeter will simply be the half of the perimeter, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2. Then we have Heron's formula. Give us the area of a triangle, that is by root over semi-perimeter into semi-perimeter minus side A into semi-perimeter minus side B into semi-perimeter minus side C. And in order to find the in radius of a triangle, we simply has to divide the area by the semi-perimeter. And for the circumradius, we have A into B into C divided by 4 into A, that is area. And for equilateral triangle, that is where all the sides are equal, we have area simply given by root 3 divided by 4 a square, and the perimeter is given by 3a. The end radius is given by a divided by 2 root 3, and the circumradius is given by a divided by root 3. Then we have right angle triangle. So here it makes 90-degree here. So here it comes the Pythagoras theorem rule. That is hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square, and the area is given by half height into base. Then in order to find the in radius of a right angle triangle, what do? We simply add a plus b and minus c, that is the hypotenuse. Then we divide it by 2, we simply get the in radius. Or we have the formula area divided by semi-perimeter to find the in radius, so we can reuse that also. And in order to find the circumradius, we simply divide the hypotenuse by 2. Then we have the parallelogram. So the area is given by base into height, and the perimeter is given by 2a plus b. And then we have the rhombus, that is area is given by half and diagonal 1 and diagonal 2, and the perimeter is given by 4a. Here also all sides are equal. Then we have trapezium, given by half into a plus b, that is the parallel side sum, and into height, that is height between the parallel side, and the addition of the parallel side gives the area, and the perimeter is simply the sum of all its sides. Then we have circle and semicircle. Circle area is given by pi r square, and semicircle is given by half pi r square. Circumference is given by 2 pi r and diameter by 2r, and here perimeter is given by pi r plus 2r. Then we have the 3D figures, that is the solid spheres. So first is cube. Volume is given by a cube. Surface area is given by 6a square since it has 6 sides. And the lateral surface area, that is when we exclude the upper and the lower side, we have 4a square as the area, lateral surface area. Then we have cuboid. So here we have volume is equal to length into breadth and height. And the total surface is given by 2 length plus length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. And the lateral surface area is given by 2 length plus breadth into height. And then here we have cylinder. Its volume is given by pi r square h. And the curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. H is the length. And the total surface area is given by 2 pi r h plus r. It is 2 pi rh and 2 pi r square, because here pi is square and the bottom's pi r square will be equal to 2 pi r square, which is only written like this here. And then we have cone. It is the height, it is the radius, it is the slant height, and the slant height can simply be found by the Pythagoras formula, and the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and the slant height we can find by Pythagoras formula. Curved surface area is equal to pi r l, and the total surface area is equal to pi r l plus pi r square, which is this base area, which is written as this. Then we have sphere. Its volume is given as 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. Then in hemisphere, we simply do half of the sphere. So here it was 4 by 3 pi r cube, here it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here it was 4 by 4 pi r square, here it is 2 pi r square, but for total surface area, in this 2 pi r square, we add this base pi r square, so it becomes 3 pi r square. Then we have frustum of cone. This is called the frustum of cone. So this volume is simply by half 1 by 3 pi h, and then we have this big circle radius square and the small circle radius square, and this both multiplication. And for curved surface area, we will simply have the formula, that is pi rl, and here we will add this r as well as this r, and to find the slant height we simply use the Pythagoras formula, where we will minus r big circle minus small circle radius, and we will add it with the height square in order to find the slant height. Then to find the total surface area, we simply have this curved surface area plus base, and we have two base here, this small circle base and this big circle base. So pi r plus r into L, and pi r square plus pi r square. And we have isosceles triangle, that is a triangle which have two sides equal. So here we have perimeter is equal to 2a plus b, and the height, this height is given by root over a square minus b by 2 whole square. And the area is given by, it is Heron's formula. We can use that. And for median, that is this median, this is the median. This is the formula, and we can also use the formula half into base into height. We already have the height here. We can use this. And for semi-perimeter, it is same. That is all addition of all the sides divided by 2. And then we have polygon. Polygon means many. Okay, it can be any. Like this starts from n is equal to 3, and it can be any number. So suppose if we have n number of sides, and a is the length of each side, and s is equal to side length, and a is equal to area, then the sum of the interior angle, that is all the angle that is made here, it is simply n minus 2 into 180. That is, if it is 5 for pentagon, then it will be 5 minus 2, that is 3 into 180 degree. That is sum of all the interior angle. And if we need to find how much is each angle, then we simply divide this by n. And then sum of exterior angle, that is the angle made in the outer side, that will be 360. And to find each exterior angle, simply we divide by n. And to find the diagonal, that is how many line will be there, like this. Then we have the formula n into n minus 3 by 2. And then we have the area of regular polygon, that is any polygon, any side. When we simply put the formula n square by 4 cot pi by n, we will get the area. So that's it. We will cover some more formulas in the next videos. Till then, keep studying. Thank you.